Are VITURE Pro XR glasses the future of immersive tech, or just another high-priced gadget? Stick around as we dive deep to find out if these glasses live up to the hype. Hey everyone, Brian here from the Inspect Aspect. Today we're taking an honest, thorough look at the VITURE Pro XR glasses, one of the most talked about mixed reality devices out there. We'll cover everything from the display to comfort, audio, and real-world use cases so you can decide if this is the XR headset you need. First, let's talk about the display. The VITURE Pro XR sports a massive 135-inch virtual screen with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness up to 4,000 nits, which is effectively perceived as over 1,000 nits. This makes it one of the brightest and clearest XR glasses on the market, perfect for bright environments and vivid visuals. The 15-inch increase from the previous model really makes a difference in immersion. Plus, the edge-to-edge clarity ensures no blurry edges or ghosting, something many VR devices struggle with. However, the high brightness can sometimes cause minor reflections inside the lenses, depending on your environment, which might distract some users. VITURE really shines with its micro OLED panel featuring myopia adjustments, making it comfortable for nearsighted users without needing glasses. The adjustability is a rare and thoughtful addition in XR devices, allowing sharper focus and reducing eye strain. And speaking of comfort, the glasses sport an aircraft-grade full-metal body with premium titanium hinges, adding durability without unnecessary weight. That said, the all-metal design can feel a bit heavy during extended use, which might be a consideration for longer sessions. One standout feature is the electrochromic film, which blocks almost 100% of external light with a simple button press. This means you can completely dunk into your XR experience without external distractions or lighting interference. Also, with no visible content on the outer lenses and no sound bleed thanks to Harman engineered stereo sound, your experience is private and immersive. However, the electrochromic effect takes a moment to activate, which could be a minor inconvenience if you quickly switch environments. Compatibility is broad, with support for iPhones 15 and 16, Android devices, Mac, PC, and even Steam Deck. The exclusive Spacewalker app unlocks multiple virtual screens, 3D VR video support, and productivity tools, all crucial for both gaming and work. That said, Windows support is still coming soon, which might limit some users. Pairing with devices like the Switch 2 requires the additional mobile dock, adding to the setup complexity and cost. Finally, build quality is premium, featuring aircraft-grade aluminum and titanium hinges designed for durability. VITURE clearly aims for longevity, making these glasses a solid investment for XR enthusiasts. Just keep in mind that premium build materials often mean a higher price point, and while robust, the metal frame might not appeal to those preferring ultra-lightweight headsets. To wrap up, the VITURE Pro XR glasses deliver an impressive blend of brightness, clarity, comfort, and innovative tech like the electrochromic film and myopia adjustments. They are versatile across multiple devices and backed by solid software. Downsides include their somewhat heavy build, activation delay of the light blocking feature, and the need for optional accessories for some platform integrations. On the Inspect Aspect scale, I'd rate these glasses an 8 out of 10, strong performance with just a few caveats. If you want a truly immersive mixed reality experience with eye care certification and superb audio privacy, they're worth considering. Just weigh the price and setup requirements in your decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the best deals on the link. And if you found this honest review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives. See you next time.